Hi, my name is Humberto Gomez with Fagor Automation. I'm the Western Regional Sales Manager. To my right here, we are showcasing our Fagor exposed scales, which can handle speeds up to 18,000 inches per minute and are available in lengths up to 100 feet.
Due to their ultra slim size, they're perfect for the metrology industry, the semiconductor market, and scientific applications in general.
I wanted to talk about IIoT, which is Industrial Internet of Things. And it's all about connectivity, mobility, and smart utilization of data. You should be able to access the operation of your machine, the process which your machine is running from anywhere, any corner of the world, using any mobile device you have.
We are also featuring our 8065 controller, 1 millisecond block processing speed with true 5-axis RTCP2 compensation, high-speed cutting algorithm.
We want to talk about how well we work together as two separate companies, developing new products and making our existing products better. One of the projects that we did was kinematic calibration on our 5-axis machines. It wasn't possible before, and working with Fagor, now it's a single-touch operation on their 8065 controllers.
My experience with Fagor goes back 20 years. Fagor has been a great, capable partner of us, and we've enjoyed working with them. One of the best attributes, I think, about Fagor is their support network. For example, some of my customers across the pond in Asia have had great experience with their support, utilizing the Team Viewer, and able to get our customers up and running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whenever they need help.
Hi, I'm Tim Olson from Adirondack Pattern in Vancouver, British Columbia. I'm a very happy DMS customer. I have 4 of their machines. My DMS machines are the crown jewel of my shop, and I'll definitely be buying more. All of them have the Fagor controller, and I'm a very happy customer of theirs too. Thank you.